fellow speakers, excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Before I make my speech, I'd like to make an illustration. The word architecture, in its original meaning, refers to a building. The participants of this conference, Indian Ocean, you are the building. But the building is not complete until you have the boundary and the landscaping around the building. Hopefully, I represent the boundaries or the landscaping, that is the countries of the South Pacific. With that, on behalf of my Prime Minister, my people and the government of Papua New Guinea, we want to say thank you very much to the India Foundation, the organizing committee, and the beautiful people of Vietnam for organizing this event and inviting us. Living in a rapidly growing, globalizing world, where events and challenges are ever constant, as well as benefits, forums such as this help bring together to discuss and to find collaborative and cooperative ways of safeguarding our nations and people. As the theme of this important conference states, there is a need for renewal of the current regional mechanisms and apparatuses to improve and develop new ones that promote institutional collaboration and collaborative efforts. The Indian Ocean region covers enormous strategic importance for us all. Over half of the world's trade and transport pass through this important ocean. The security implications in this area are various. Also, the Indian Ocean region attracts geostrategic interest from all states located within and outside. By encouraging economic integration, this will lead to sustainable and inclusive growth. Therefore, it is imperative that all the nations support potential for competition and cooperation between each of the states. This, no doubt, will go a long way in promoting the Indo-Asia Pacific region's growth. Also, all nations adhere to the international rules and standards will promote peace and prosperity in the century in our region. Papua New Guinea is a small island state in the Pacific that also relies heavily on international trade and maritime. It is the largest economy in the South Pacific region, blessed with a wide array of natural resources, and enjoys strong bilateral and multilateral relations with the nations in the Indian Ocean. Currently, we have investors from Japan, China, India, Malaysia, and all our friends in the region, and lately, Bangladesh. With a population of around 8 million, the country has adopted an international outlook and a policy of positive engagement. Over the past 2 decades, PNG has grown from being a high-tariff country to one that embraces free market principles. As some of you would know, our country is this year's host for the APEC meeting, where leaders meeting, including a series of ministerial and senior officials meeting currently happening in my country. This mammoth task of hosting such a large and technical meeting has not come without its own challenges. but I believe in its entirety and the opportunities it presents, in that it showcases to the international community what PNG and its people can offer. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the narratives being discussed in this forum offer our focus on trade, security, commerce, and governance, so as to build new regional architecture in the region for shared prosperity is very timely and welcoming. As issues and challenges become interconnected and intertwined, regional architectures need to be receptive to these issues relating to trade, security, commerce, and governance. And these proposed new architectures should embrace the common vision of promoting peace, security, and trade across the Indian and Pacific Oceans. I take this opportunity in wishing all the participants and delegates a successful outcome and safe travel back home. And we look forward to seeing some of you in PNG for the coming APEC meeting in November this year. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.